Rejection, in psychological terms, refers to the experience of being excluded, ignored, or dismissed by others. It involves the perception of not being accepted or valued by social groups or individuals. Rejection can occur in various contexts, such as romantic relationships, friendships, academic or professional settings, and social groups. From a psychological perspective, rejection has significant impacts on an individual's well-being and mental health. It can lead to feelings of sadness, anger, loneliness, and low self-esteem. Repeated experiences of rejection can contribute to the development of psychological conditions like depression, anxiety, and social withdrawal. Neurobiologically, the experience of rejection activates certain brain regions and neural pathways associated with emotional pain and distress. Research using neuroimaging techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, has identified the involvement of the anterior cingulate cortex, ACC, and the insula in processing social rejection. The ACC plays a role in monitoring and regulating emotions and is particularly involved in the experience of social pain. When individuals perceive rejection, the ACC becomes activated, contributing to the emotional distress associated with the experience. The insula is another brain region involved in processing social emotions and the perception of physical and emotional pain. It becomes activated during experiences of rejection, further amplifying the negative emotional response. In addition to these brain regions, the release of various neurotransmitters and hormones is implicated in the experience of rejection. For instance, the stress hormone cortisol is often elevated in response to rejection, which can have physiological and psychological effects on the individual. Moreover, the neurotransmitter dopamine, associated with reward and motivation, is also involved. Rejection can lead to a decrease in dopamine activity, resulting in reduced feelings of pleasure and motivation. It is important to note that the experience and perception of rejection can vary among individuals, and different coping mechanisms and resilience levels can influence the impact of rejection on one's psychological and neurobiological responses. Seeking social support, engaging in self-care activities, and developing healthy coping strategies are helpful in managing the emotional effects of rejection.